Yeah, o site leo ma mai la ma le marketplace I Kongo Kolina. Yeah, one of the beautiful spot here in Hawaii. Yeah, morning. A lot of tourists and a lot of people. They come and enjoy the stay here. Yeah, this is one of the hotels by the beach. Yeah, but we're heading to the market right now. Yeah, morning. Yeah, and Sita is really enjoying his stay here. Since we have been through a lot of good spots, we went and and now we're going to look into the marketplace and see if something that she would like to buy. Yeah, from as a souvenir while she stayed here in Hawaii. Oh, yeah, nice garden, yeah. Yeah, people are putting their effort in purifying this place so that tourists would love to spend their time and enjoy the stay here in Hawaii. Yeah, sometimes you need to sleep. Yeah. So we're over there, as you see, those are the huts that we have a lot of souvenirs so people can buy. Even inside the hotel, we can buy things from there. So Tite needs a little rest, so she's sitting down and she's gonna relax a little in the shade of the coconut trees. Yeah, it's very awesome. It's so beautiful. Well, yeah, si kako ainga lai sa mo yo fe mo melnge video ya. O se vai nga le on fa nga mai school fingi. Hopefully, ya em fa nga ko fa kasi mo ko ngai. Ya no fa kele kwa mo ko uma. Ya manguia lava kako ainga ya. Ba fusis kako video sis kai.